Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS, applied visual design, and we want to learn how to change animation timing with keywords. So we're going to learn about a new animation property called animation timing function. And what this does is that it controls how quickly an animated element changes over the duration of the animation, kind of at the rate of change. So for example, if we have a car as an animation driving from point A to point B, the duration it would take the complete amount of time it goes from A to B. The animation timing function says how the car accelerates or decelerates over the course of that drive. And then there's some values we put in this property. So the default one is ease, which starts off slow and then speeds up in the middle and then slows down in the end. And then other options are ease out, which is quick in the beginning, but then slows down, and ease in, which is slow in the beginning, then speeds up at the end, or linear, which is a constant animation speed. So we want to adjust this example we have with these balls dropping with the animation time function. So for ball 1, we wanted to set it to linear. So we look here, ball 1, and we want to set the animation to linear. So we just add the property. Linear. And we see it's now a linear speed. And then ball 2, ease out. So we can just copy this, paste it, but then change this to ease out. And there you go. We see the changes in this animation. And then there's one more. Basically, this isn't, it's just what they wanted to point out, that it will touch the bottom at the same time. And we can see that there's a different speed throughout of it because they both have a duration of 2 seconds. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.